Welcome back to another tech-related video. So I got to wanted to make this video about the California operating system age verification law that they're rolling out, which is like the dumbest thing ever. Done by politicians where they have freaking no idea what the technology is, how the technology even works, and they're trying to pass law, and this is all regarding child safety. If you remember in the video, I did make a child safety video, briefly bringing my concerns about the. Sorry, this match gets getting kind of annoying. Either way, though, the age verification law doesn't make sense because it's like basically the operating system is gonna prompt you to ask for your date of birth and age, and it's going to be stored in the operating system. Probably at like a kernel level too, which is obviously going to be upsetting the Linux kernel developer community because I don't know, kind of defeats the whole purpose of like the design philosophy of how Linux works as an ecosystem. I want to say. Either way, though, Marker Slop is obviously going to comply. Um, Apple obviously is going to comply with their Mac OS, or should I say, I don't have an install for that, but it's like, and then you have the whole idea of like they're doing this for the sake of like the children, but obviously we all know this is just to make another surveillance state. I mean, we already have Palantir like having eyes around us. And with the Department of War now wanting to put AI in their weapons of war and their weapons of mass murder. So yeah, it's like, we're just gonna have ChatGPT go blow up that tank. And ChatGPT is gonna blow up the tank. It's like, geez Louise. Well, we really are be living in a dystopian future now, unless, but heck, well, we're gonna have operating systems now asking for our age and date of birth, before you know it, we're just gonna have a passport that is like built into the corner of our operating systems. But heck, what? Prices of eggs are down, gas prices up. Wait, no, no, gas prices are down. Gas prices are down in America. Um, but no, the operating system age verification is dumb because again, this is gonna be happening in Florida first. And once again, it's really dumb because Gavin Newsom signed the law, so it's already gonna go pass. It's gonna begin the beginning of 2027. What a terrible way to start 2027. I mean, 2025 was kind of weak. I'm not gonna know. There were some highs in 2025, a lot of highs, some lows, so kind of balances out. 2026. Oh, life sucks. War in Iran. War in Iran. Wow. Either way, though, it's like, yeah. Well, like, Star Wars is just gonna, like, sucks. Um, that's about it, really. Just freaking out over this, Operating Syndrome Age. Long live Big Brother, I guess. And there will never be peace in the Middle East.